The difficult part is that the certainties are all on one side of the equation and the uncertainties on the other side. So we know, right, as Ronnie was saying in the previous segment, that women disproportionately are exiting the workforce. We know this is bad for kids, especially kids whose parents aren't able to throw tons of resources at them in a kind of homeschooling environment. We know that this is horrible for the elderly and especially for people in long-term care facilities. We know, just looking at the death and the morbidity associated with this disease, that's 100% certainty. We know that's going to continue and get worse. On the other side, we've got some really good evidence that some of these vaccines work, at least in the short to medium term. We've got good evidence that in the short to medium term, the risks of complications are, very low. We've got good evidence that the cold storage works, but in the short to medium term. But again, we don't know. I mean, I can tell you how long I can keep ground beef in my freezer. We actually don't know how long you can keep this vaccine in the freezer because we haven't kept it in the freezer that long yet. There's so much uncertainty, yet against the certainties of the bad, right, of the status quo, and the probabilistic information about the good of the vaccine, then the lurking issue is the uncertainties about the bad of the vaccine. And we don't know. We really don't. But a lot of people, and me included, think that these are reasonable risks to take. But they're risks. There's a lot of uncertainty.